2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6 liter. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converter there and there, as you guys can see. Then two and a quarter tailpipe, intermediate pipes there and there. So we took the kidney bean shaped muffler out and put two vibrants in its place. Part number 1793. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we made a custom Y pipe for it there too. And then it continues with the factory pipe. Then we took the resonator out and did a resonator delete and put a 4-inch double wall tip out the back right there. As you guys can see, it looks a lot better, a lot nicer. He didn't want too much drone. That's why we went with the double instead of the single right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibels? Just enough to keep mama happy, but still sound good. So it's right at 93, 94. Again? Yeah, right at 94. But we want to say we appreciate his service, guys. He's amazing. Thank you for his service. Go ahead and back it up. That's how they come on these Jeep. They come dual in, single out. So be expecting to put a Y pipe if you ever want to get it done like we just did. All right, that's what it sounds like outside. Go ahead. It's not bad. Yeah, it's good. Laredo. Let you guys hear on the inside. Jeep Grand Cherokee, the Trackhawk and the Grand Cherokee. They're beautiful. They come in pairs, guys. They always come in pairs somehow. This one's got the vibrant mids, rear delete, 4-inch tip. Enjoy, guys. Hope you like it.